What's up, everybody? Here's a water heater that's coming out today. So I'm going to change the valve. Change this valve, go into either probably the ice maker, I guess. This valve's coming out. That's probably going to the dehumidifier. So all three new valves. They've already been working on it because it's been leaking at the bottom. Can't tell where it's rusted up. So just gonna drain it down and see what happens. I gotta go grab the new one, it's up in the truck. So make sure the power's off. Hey guys, you always want to check for power on these water heaters before you disconnect it. This one's off. If the power was on, your stick would be blinked or it'd be straight red. Like that. So just be careful when you work on it. Make sure your power is off to it. Good thing is this water here is a little shorter than the other one. The other one's a 65 gallon, this one's a 55 gallon, so it's a little shorter. I gave them both options to go down or up in size. They wanted to go down, so it's only about 10 gallons different. 11 gallons. So not too bad. Let's see if this thing can go all the way around. It should. Oh yeah. Almost got it. There we go. Teflon tape on there. Threads. Seals it up. Once I'm done putting all this together, I'll come back and wipe everything down so it's not all gunked up and looking bad. I'll wipe all the joints down. I will say this Blue Monster, it's really good, but it does get everywhere, so it's hard to wash off too. So just be careful. Stuff is crazy how it sticks to your hands. I'm doing a little pro pressing today. I'm not soldering it. I'm gonna pro press it. That's what today's goal is. Get in and get out. So Knipex pliers are a little tricky. Just gotta get the hang of it, I guess. They don't open up that wide, so. They're really good for not scratching stuff. That's why I like them. Other cold side's gonna go right here for that valve. I'll stick it right there. Expansion tank's gonna go in the back. I'll just pipe this one up for the hot.
went up a little bit.
Screw on, screw off. I think the